Hi Plonkers, Daft Scots last here, and today I thought I'd do a wee vlog and let you know that it's my 4th Blogversary, which is awesome. It's my 4th year that I've been blogging, so head on over to www.gillianhafer.blogspot.com to Daft Scots last and wish me a happy Blogversary. So the reason why I'm all suited up today is one of two reasons. One is we're having a Dress for Success day at work today, so I thought I'd do something a wee bit different and wear a tie and a suit and what have you. So that's going to be fun. And of course, being my Blogversary, of course I had to suit up for the day and dress for success. I mean, 4 years blogging, for heaven's sake, every single day for 4 years. That's a success in its own. Anyway, just thought I'd do a quick wee vlog to say hi before I run off to work. So have a nice day, Plonkers. Cheers. Bye.